Hi, I'm Jack Razmich with Razmich & Associates, and today we're going to talk about how an Indiana criminal conviction can impact your immigration status. If you're a non-citizen convicted of a crime in Indiana, you're likely to be concerned about how the conviction will affect your immigration status. The United States requires all immigration applicants to divulge all information about their criminal history when they're applying for a visa, green card, adjustment of status, or U.S. citizenship. If you have a criminal conviction, you are at a higher risk of being deported and having other effects on your immigration status. Here's what you need to know. First, serious criminal convictions. The United States has grounds to deport people who have been convicted of a serious crime. Section 212A of the Immigration Nationality Act sets forth the serious crimes that render a person inadmissible to the United States. These include crimes of moral turpitude and violence, which include murder, rape, human or drug trafficking, and conspiracy to commit those offenses. You can also be deported if you're convicted of an aggravated felony. Aggravated felonies are an expansive class of offenses that carry extremely severe immigration consequences for non-citizens. Despite the term's name, the crime committed does not have to be aggravated nor a felony under state law to be considered an aggravated felony under federal law. About 30 offenses are currently considered to be aggravated felonies under the Naturalization Code. In addition to serious crimes of moral turpitude, they include relatively minor crimes such as simple theft, tax fraud, or even failing to appear in court for a criminal proceeding. Whenever Congress adds a new aggravated felony, an immigrant who has been previously convicted of such a crime becomes retroactively deportable despite the length of their residence in the United States, ties to the community, or family members who are in fact United States citizens. What about less serious offenses? Well, if your criminal conviction is not for a crime involving moral turpitude, and Congress hasn't classified it as an aggravated felony, the conviction can still affect your immigration status, but there's a lesser risk. United States citizenship for immigration service officials would decide how and whether that conviction would affect your case. If you're arrested in Indiana and you're worried that a conviction will affect your immigration status, you must consult with an experienced Indiana criminal defense attorney immediately. A good criminal defense attorney can help you fight the charges against you and determine the best way to proceed while protecting your immigration status. Here at Razmich & Associates, we take that responsibility very seriously. We have represented several people whose immigration status would have been negatively impacted by their cases, and we were able to help point them in the correct direction to make sure they kept their future and their freedom right. That's what we do here. We're lawyers ready to fight. We fight for your future and for your freedom. If you or someone you know has an arrest that is going to negatively impact their immigration status, I encourage you to contact our office as soon as possible at 317-983-5333. We have phone operators standing by 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all with the goal of getting you onto our calendars for a free case evaluation. That case evaluation is free. It always has been, it always will be. The only thing that you are investing is your time, and that time will be spent making sure that all of your questions are answered and that you have all the information you need to make the best decision for yourself and your family moving forward. Again, the telephone number is 317-983-5333, and I look forward to helping you. If you like that video, hit the like and subscribe button. If you really like the video, please share it on the social media platform of your choice. Here at Razmich & Associates, we are lawyers ready to fight. We are fighting for you, for your freedom and your future. The more eyes that we're in front of, the more people we're fighting for. And the more people we're fighting for, the freer we make everybody's future in the long run. If you have a video you'd like for me to talk about in the future, please drop that down in the comment section below. I hope you found this video to be informative, and I'll look forward to speaking with you at the next video. Thanks for watching.